So I called to the airport. They told me call back in 3 o'clock, and they're gonna give more information about if I have my bag there or not. Hopefully I will. So in about an hour I'm gonna update you guys. And there's cool things here as well. Look at this. Like people can work out over here. So I'm gonna work out right now. Just a little bit because I just ate a lot of donuts. Yeah. This is kvass, fermented bread drink. Wow. Похож? Это лучший напиток в мире. This is one of the most famous parks in Kiev, Mariinsky. Very nice one, a lot of trees. Everything is about green here, like it's amazing. Like, I so love this place. Yeah. It's not fun when it doesn't work, but it's super dope though. This is a bridge of love. Everybody who's in love here, they used to put their like little locks. There's no more locks in here like this. It was like, once I remember, it was like everywhere. They removed them all, but people are gonna put them again. Look at that. This is Arch of Friendship of Nations right there.
что-то на этой безумной войне. Кстати, где твои крылья, которые нравились мне?
Круто, смотрите, look at this. С колесами. Little stretch right here. Stretch over here. Yeah. What's up? Yeah.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switched spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a year.
This is the main street of the of Kiev, Prishadi. Everybody hang out here every day. So many people. So this is the best place. If you're coming here, you're just gonna have to come here and check it out.
So I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get Gawd. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch.
Ukrainian band right here. They're playing some traditional Ukrainian songs.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switched plots.
So this is like a hot dog, basically in a dough, and it was boiled in the oil. It's like one of the most famous things in here in Kiev. Where you come here, there's like super huge line. I forgot to film, but I'll show you later. Like I'm gonna show you. There's like super tasty hot dog inside. Here we go. And some juice. How is it? Do you like it?
Yeah, but it's pretty fat.
It's pretty fat for sure.
Hot.
Hot as well, but super tasty. Alright guys, see you later. So we're going to check out the new mall. It's our central mall or something like that. How you doing?
Hold the wrist. I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist. Diamonds move alive. Never switch in position. That's where money be in my bag. Gotta thank God for all the shit that I got. I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball. Roll it the wrist. And downs I froze. She wanna fuck, vamonos. Taking it down, dominoes. Then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door. Hold the wrist though. Don't know where to switch though. Got my bands up. Think I need a branch, stroke. We keep it lit. I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they ain't know me, so I switched spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
Hold up, weed in the whip got rolled up, 32 G's in the ziplock. Hold up, now I'm talking shit. Saw me walk to the whip, every night get lit. Me and Uno for the hit.
Driven to deep left field and gone.
Bada boom, bada bing, bout cash, bout bling. Go ahead, make it ring, 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 ring. Told the thought he'd bring a thing, 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 thing. Whole squad need chains and rings, loud smoke, some Asian things. Yeah, rip it open and I run in the Nimbus, copping on it even if I don't need it. Bands on me, left the cashier speeches. Thank God, thank Keen and real friends. You don't know the meaning, get on the bag, go do the math, split it up until it's even. I spaz on the beat for no reason, tripping out, walking on water like Jesus. Let them know it's Uno season.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
Conversations, how all my friends are turning green. You're the magic sin, sitting in a tree.
I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guap. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch plots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
Вихід до фунікулера.
До фунікулера.
Losing myself.